bringing a local Singaporean to Pulau Ubin. Let's go. $8 Hokkien Mee. Ooh. How's the taste? Hokkien Mee master?
Oh, a bit too much lime. Sour.
Too sour.
But nice.
Yep.
Very good.
I haven't. Hey, buddy. She say your meat very nice. Run, run, run. Free fish. Let's go. Oops. Photographer. Go.
Atomy insect away. Away.
Away. Okay, that sensory trail is more for the kids, I believe. There's just a bunch of different, what's that, plantation like pineapple, some crops, some local produce plant around, and you can just walk around. And there are a lot of information board that you can read and educate your kids, I guess. Wow, that somehow looks nice. The banana trees. Okay, question. How come you have never been to this island? Huh? This. Bye. 5 minutes after, we're having a water break. Whew. Let's go. That was the hill that we couldn't climb up. It looks gradual on the camera, but it's actually not. park is closed for renovation. So we were going to the wetlands. Halfway through, there's a sign that says it's closed until October. So yeah, just U-turning back, find something else to explore on the island of Pulau Ubin. Let's go. Oops. What a nice shot. Hello, brother. You are eating rambutan? Whoa. Hello, hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Currently hiking up to one of the viewpoints here in Pulau Ubin, and it's one of my favorite. It's beautiful up there. You understand what I'm trying to say when you see the view later on. But it's like around 15-20 minutes hike. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Easy, easy. Training you for Mount Everest. So yeah, my footages are not the best representation of this beautiful place, but yeah, it's a shame that we can't fly our drone here. I mean, you can technically, no one's gonna stop you, but if you're living in Singapore and if you posted that video of that drone shot, they might come find you. That's the only catch. But yeah, it's a shame. They should. And even so, they said no climbing, inside. I went on, I climb onto it and then try to get the best shot that I can. But I don't think it's really nice. But if you see it with your own eyes, it looks really, really beautiful. So yeah, just come out here for yourself. Okay, so sometimes I feel like there should be some drones that are specifically just for photography and videography, and they should allow it. I mean, I come from a country where they use a lot of drones for war purposes, but yeah, I mean, I can understand that it's quite dangerous, but at the same time, just want to take some photos. Come on. Yeah, I saw. What? Coconut. Oyster big. Yeah. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? I don't. Chini. Dance now there. What's up, lady? Alright, I'm home. I'm so tired. Anyway, that was like a short getaway away from Singapore, Pulau Ubin Island. Yeah, I've been there a lot of times, and there's actually one special vlog where I went camping with a few of my friends, and that was one of the best vlog that I did out there. Maybe the quality is not there, but the memories that I look back is just amazing, right? We spent our night there, and yeah, stuff like that. It was fun. Anyway, today it was actually kind of tiring because yeah, we kind of rushed. The timing that we reached there, it was like noon, lunchtime, and then it was pretty hot. 5 hours of cycling under the sun. It was just a little too crazy. I think I'm having a little headache now, so yeah, I wouldn't really recommend that. You know, just slow it down. Go there. I think the best way to spend there is to camp there and then just take your time with the nature. Just go around. It was, yeah, pretty fun. It's beautiful. I highly suggest you guys go there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and it's relatively cheap to get there, around $4 boat ride to get on the island, camping fees, and then you know, you can bring your own food and then yeah, spend the night there. So that would be the ideal way to spend your time in Pulau Ubin. But yeah, day trip like this is still fun, but super tiring. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this vlog. I wanted to vlog like, you know, all the time. Wanted to like properly vlog with my GoPro DJI Action 4, but I forgot. So yeah, it was really hard for me to vlog with my Sony A7C plus. Yeah, so I just started taking photos and videos. That's pretty much it. Never really vlog a lot. Maybe I think I just vlog for like, you know, 1-2 times with my phone, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.